In this video, I'll walk you through how you can use Notion in Base44. So it's very simple. All you need to do is head over to Integrations tab. And from here, you need to choose Notion. So click on How to Use. And from here, we have some example prompts. So for example, you can copy prompt and send it in your app's chat to get started. So for example, you can write project updates from this app into the Notion page. So let's say I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to apps and I'm going to open my app. Then you need to paste it simply in the chat. So paste it. Now it's going to connect to Notion. So you need to click on connect to Notion. Then you need to allow permissions to Base44. So you can see like view pages you selected, edit pages. So click on select pages. Then you can also choose. So for example, I'm going to choose my pages. I'll choose all of these. Also team space. I'm going to allow him everything and then click allow access. So it's showing me approved. Now, as you can see, we have a new tab which says projects. So I'm going to open it. And from here, we should be able to add updates in Notion. So for example, I'm going to add Base44 update. Description, let's say Base44. You can also choose status. So let's say completed, priority, and then I'm going to choose date. I'm going to choose this date and I'm going to click on add update. Now I'm going to click on sync to Notion and we should see this in Notion. It showed me some kind of error. So I'm going to click on resolve with AI. So as you can see, fixed. So now it should be fixed. I'm going to try it again. Sync to Notion. Project update synced to Notion. So I'm going to open my Notion. And as you can see, it's there, project update, Base44. So that's it. So that's how we can connect and use Notion in Base44. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.